Want to check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter in Windows? Device Manager makes it easy to identify your network hardware, check its status, and view driver information. In this guide, I'll show you where to find everything. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Once Device Manager opens, find Network Adapters in the list. Click the arrow beside it to expand the category. You'll see the network hardware installed on your computer. Look for entries that mention wireless, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, LAN, or a network chipset. Your PC may have separate adapters for wireless and wired connections. If you see a yellow warning icon, there may be a driver or hardware problem. To check more information, click the network adapter and select Properties. On the General tab, look at Device Status. If Windows says the device is working properly, that's a good sign. Next, open the Driver tab. Here you can see the driver provider, date, and version. You can also find options to update, roll back, or uninstall the driver. For additional hardware information, open the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the Property menu. These identifiers can help you determine the exact network hardware when searching for a driver. If the adapter has an error or warning icon, try updating the driver. You can also check Windows Update for available driver updates. If the adapter is missing completely, select Action and then scan for hardware changes. That can refresh the device list. And that's how to check a network adapter in Device Manager. You can identify your Wi-Fi or Ethernet hardware, check its status, and view driver details. So use these steps whenever you're troubleshooting a network connection problem.